Hello everybody, welcome back. It is 25 and invested. The date is December 16th, 2022, almost Christmas. Next week. Yeah. Today we are down 150 bucks. Not bad. 0% to be nothing. On the week we're down 2%, so 1,000 bucks. On the month we're actually up $75. Very nice. On the 3-month, we are up 1% or $400, which is kind of cool. On the yearly, we are down 6%, $3,300, but all time we are down a little shy of $3,000, about 5.8%. So just shy of 6%. Here it comes up as negative 6%. There isn't a lot to say here. The CPI came out with the government in the US, and I own a lot of US stocks. It's the same as Canada. Canada, US go very neck and neck with each other, especially when it comes to monetary policy, because we are very similar countries with very similar needs. And yeah, not a lot to say. The CPI came out better than expected, but interest rates are still rising, and therefore tech heavy stocks, growth stocks are still getting hit, and therefore I am still getting hit. So Apple down 6%. Algonquin, I'm not going to buy more Algonquin until it hits, I'd like to see low $7, and then I'd start averaging in again. Algonquin survived the last recession, and I would keep my eye on them now to survive this one. So Algonquin, we expect better from Algonquin. Alibaba, nothing to say here as well. I'm not putting money into Alibaba. The CCP kind of worries me, so not saying much. Berkshire Hathaway actually ended the day off on exactly $300, so we have $3,300 exactly, which is kind of impressive. I am up 8.5%, and this is the way that I'm going to buy Apple. So as Apple's price comes down, I will see it reflect in Berkshire Hathaway's price, and I would love to buy more Berkshire Hathaway. So I'm buying Apple through Apple's holding company, Berkshire Hathaway. And that is why I'm waiting for Berkshire Hathaway's price to come down, because I would like to probably double how much money I have in Berkshire Hathaway, bringing me up to about probably a little over $6,000 in Berkshire Hathaway. Caterpillar, nothing to say. Dream Industrial is another company that I'd like to have at least $2,000 by the end of next year. So that's kind of a goal for Dream Industrial. Google is another company that I'd like to buy more of. Last time I bought was at $85. It's coming back down to $85, but I would like to buy it at $75. I'll probably buy, hopefully, another 10 shares, maybe even more at $75. Google, just like Meta, there's Meta down 36%. Google and Meta are in the ad revenue space, and ad revenue is being absolutely destroyed. We are going through a recession. That is the first thing that companies skimp out on, is ad revenue. So I would love to pick up Google during that dip. Not so much Meta, unless they turn into a wholeheartedly ad revenue company, of which case I would like to put a little bit more money. But until I see that come out definitively, I'm going to stay away from Meta. Manulife Financial, another company that I'd like to double how much money I have, bringing it up to about $2,000 by the end of next year. So I have 40 shares. I would love to see that at 100 shares by then, but I did buy it. I'm up 5%, 5.5%, and I get paid dividends, so it's not really it's not doing anything by me just waiting. I'm just waiting on Manulife Financial. I would like to own more, just not yet. NEWT, again, that is a company that I'm almost breaking even on, even though I'm down 26%. They've paid me so much money in dividends, so it isn't that bad. It's only $1,000, which it's still a large sum of money, but it's not the end of the world. So we're waiting on NEWT as well. They did release some 8Ks that are saying that they're going to dilute shareholders even more. I believe 5% next year, and then again 6% the year after. So that is something to take into consideration with NEWT. Nexus REITs, 106 shares, another company that I'd like to double my shares. I do have a price set. I would like to have this company at under $9, about $8.50. Currently, my average is just a little too high. You know, it's about 950, and I would like that down $2 more. So in order for me to do that, I would need to buy I need to buy Nexus REITs at a very low price of probably like $7, $8. And that's going to be, you know, that might be a long wait, especially with how stable Nexus REITs has been. Walmart, again, nothing to say here. I'd love to have more Walmart shares, but I just think that the price is too much right now. They're closing up stores. I'm a little worried about Walmart. Same as Target. People are stealing a lot from these stores. So until we see a fundamental change there or a large drop in price, I am staying away. I'm not even looking in Walmart's direction. XEQT, something that I haven't bought this week. I do own my 0.0434 shares, which is always hilarious to look at. I'm down 5.19%. I'm down $600 in total on XEQT. I do have about $11,400 in XEQT right now, so that is something that I will just keep putting money into XEQT just a little bit at a time. I'm still dollar cost averaging, and I would like to make a very big purchase of XEQT in the near future, just because you know, it's underweighted in my portfolio, and it should be weighted more. So I should be getting back towards my roots in XEQT and stop taking as much of my own personal risk in stock picks. So, you know, XEQT is just a way for me to take the edge off of my stock picks. Anyways, guys, I will see you next week. That's just a little breakdown, a little you know, the CCP, the Federal Reserve in the U.S. is destroying my portfolio, much like Wall Street bets, which I do follow Wall Street's bets, but it you know, we're looking at some bad times ahead. So I will be increasing my cash reserve for those bad times. I've also been saving up those dividends, and yeah, we have $8,902.88 on the side. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye now.